It's recording.
We're trying to see how you
Tutorial.
Yeah, a little tutorial. You want to make a little character. Just get a piece of foil, crumple that up into a ball.
Are you doing stop motion?
No, we're just
taking a
doing a
video.
little like. I'm gonna try and remember to start just documenting almost everything.
Sorry, I didn't mean to.
I would
No, you
from
can
my
talk.
seat,
You
but
can
my
talk.
phone doesn't stand, so I'm like, okay.
You can talk. You don't have to be quiet. And so we're just gonna go like that. We're just making a little character,
That's the head, for real.
or this could be the body,
Or the body, okay.
little fatty character,
Okay.
or a round character, right?
Yeah.
So let's just say we want a rectangular character. A tiny rectangular character. We could take this and go like this.
Specifically like Chick-fil-A's breading and chicken. I don't know what they do.
You like it?
Yeah.
It's really good.
Type of buttermilk sauce. No, it's not just the sauce. It's the no, like the breading. The breading is a butter.
So this is a no. That's not gonna
The
work.
butter better.
Let's do this. I want to make this into like a cylinder,
Yeah, I made
and we got to
small one.
compress this really
Yeah.
well.
Anyways, I'm blaming him for the reason that it is.
Okay, but that's kind of loose, so you don't want any loose
Yeah.
parts.
So you
So
could always wrap it again.
So if you have masking tape. Sorry.
I am the type, but I haven't yet because I'm dyslexic and reading subtitles when I'm trying to do other things does not work.
Okay. Tape.
So we're gonna go masking tape.
I have to.
So we're gonna masking tape that.
Would you like to see the penny one?
I'm just dragging my thumb around that. And so maybe this character's, I don't know what. I have no clue what it's gonna look like.
You think he'd be okay?
It's a bean.
Yeah, it's a bean. The bean.
Look at the butt.
Okay, so there we go. So
Okay.
there's that.
Oh my bad. It looks like a butt to be fair.
But you take it, you need it, and this is your skin.
Yeah.
We'll do
Not some
a
more.
5-minute character.
They're like, no, you can go smaller. I think her next one should literally just be his
That'd be cool, like project, huh?
Yeah, because last time we tried it, I never finished, and I'm like, I want to do it again.
Yeah, but it'd be cool to do a start small like this. Have a little like
Oh, yeah.
chibi type.
That's what I was doing.
Isn't chibi mean small?
Chibi?
Kind of. It's
Yeah.
Oh,
a
it's
specific
chibi?
type of proportion.
That's how I say it. I don't know if that's correct.
Is it chibi or chibi?
Chibi, and it's why does it doesn't really matter? It's Japanese. It's like different GIF.
Does anybody know? I'm gonna need this.
Oh, I
Get
don't
it.
know.
Focus, focus.
Okay.
You can get closer over here.
Isn't it like a Japanese
Okay.
form of like making it?
So you're gonna need that. Get it warm, pliable.
Yeah. Skin.
What do
I
we-
love
See,
flesh.
we're only in 2 minutes, so this is good. This is a good
Okay.
little.
Like a Japanese art style.
I'm just gonna press that in there.
And you smooth it out with the tools and stuff.
Yeah, you can use your you can and shape it, and you can do a lot with your fingers too, in the back of your nail,
I
and
don't think I should have gotten to school.
like using your nail and stuff. But yeah,
Both my siblings were sick yesterday.
okay. So there's good foil showing.
Absolutely beefy immune system.
They were sick yesterday.
Yeah,
Your sibs.
my sibs. They both didn't feel well. I'm pretty sure both of them milked it though because they don't like
Yeah. Hey, is it chibi or chibi? It's chibi. You guys sure it's
That's how I
chibi?
would say it.
I've never called it
Huh? I can't hear you guys in the back. What?
Who knows?
No? No input? So it's chibi. Okay. I always say chibi. But that,
I don't know.
who am I,
There's
right?
no accents on the eyes, I guess.
Who am I? Okay, so then let's go put a little leg on here. A little cutesy foot. And so you just press that. Just pressing that on. And I'm gonna do this like a little, like teardrop.
Okay.
I'm gonna press that on.
Now it has legs.
Look,
It's like an egg with legs.
Instant feet. And we'll get another little piece
like it's I found it. Wait, where is it?
and a little teardrop.
All they do is hold your
And just press that in. These could be Christmas presents for everybody.
I know, I was like, can't buy anything, but I have this stuff already.
Yeah,
so.
yeah, for sure. Let's do that.
And now it's got arms.
That's got some arms. How cool is that? You stoked right now? Okay, now we're gonna do a head.
They are very funny too.
Let's do a little
Is
head.
it like
I don't know.
a rabbit? I don't know.
I don't know. Sure, why not?
That's a tiny little head.
That's a tiny. Yeah. We need more than that. Okay, so and some people use toothpicks and stuff, but anyway, I'm gonna do another teardrop and just kind of see where this is the teardrop. Or this will go up there. Okay.
I don't
And
want
this
to
is,
right up on Amazon.
just press that.
Yeah.
And I'm just gonna go like that.
It honestly looks like something from out of my nightmares.
Good. That's good. That's good. That's a positive.
I think that's the exact one.
I will take that as
Not
a
again with
positive.
Gojo.
I think it's beautiful.
The little man. Yes.
Good. And there's some type of head.
Okay.
All right. And then we're gonna go ears.
For one for Christmas, but I don't want that hair snowman ingrate. And do it anyways.
Break that in half.
Oh my goodness.
Break that in half-ish.
I love it.
I don't watch
Right?
Yeah.
And do the teardrop
He
thing
is a funny
again.
guy. It's a good
Make
show.
it- okay.
I like it. The animation is very pretty.
I want a woman topper, but it's just Chainsaw Man.
I'm not doubting
Press
we
that
can find
on.
it.
Probably not yet. It's
Press that
Chainsaw Man
on.
was a very popular manga for a while. I wouldn't be like super surprised. Maybe
Squeeze.
if I.
Ah,
Very nice.
squeeze. See?
Was it a
All right.
Coming together. We need a tail, right? We gotta have a tail.
You got the
Oh,
little
sure.
guy.
We gotta have a tail.
Nah.
We're making chibis.
A chibi rabbit.
We're making a chibi thing.
He'd be fine. He might fall in, but you know, that's just how it is.
Small tail.
Little teardrop tail.
Okay.
And then we can give it little features, right? Let's give it some muzzle.
Yeah.
So let's roll that into a ball. Don't ask. Just
Extension
we're,
of the
we're,
face.
yeah.
And she went straight to the end of it. And I'm like,
See, this is where I need a tool.
Yeah.
your little sibling? She's like 9.
I love that. That's amazing.
I have one right there. So what am I
Looks
doing?
up at the. I know you're too young.
Cool.
She bought one once.
Okay.
Vlogging. Okay.
So we're gonna go here. We're just gonna make some type of face.
It's like an Among Us character.
Is it?
You know that game with the weird astronauts?
I'm
No.
sorry.
I don't know. I think I've seen
Hold on, there were the
it.
worst ones.
It's just a meme now. It's really funny.
Oh. Oh yeah. I know what that is. That guy's got a lot of views. Okay, just pressing that in there. And let's do a little.
A nose.
I think you're gonna start something here, Dylan.
You're welcome.
I think it's gonna.
Everyone's just gonna be making
I think
things.
it's gonna spread.
Don't worry about it.
But I mean,
It's like 3D modeling, but not on computer.
yeah, it's yeah.
It's from Jujutsu Kaisen, isn't it?
No.
It's from Chainsaw Man, isn't it?
No, maybe.
Oh my gosh!
It's
Look how
beautiful.
Isn't that adorable? It's a kangaroo, I think.
It doesn't have a kangaroo
It looks
tail,
like a cat
but
dressed up in rabbit.
Yeah. Okay, so there's our
all right.
there's our little. How long did that take?